In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Monday.com. If you've ever been overwhelmed by duplicate entries cluttering your boards, this guide will help you tidy up efficiently. Let's begin by logging into Monday.com. Once you're in, select the board where you suspect duplicates may reside. This could be your leads, projects, or any other board you use frequently. Before moving forward, ensure that all crucial columns like item name, email, or ID are visible, as this will make identifying duplicates much simpler. It's particularly useful to focus on which column might contain duplicates, such as email addresses or product IDs. Next, we'll explore a quick method using the search bar to manually spot duplicates. Head over to the Search Everything bar at the top of your workspace. Here, type in a keyword or name you think might be replicated. Monday will then show you all matches across the boards. This method is particularly effective if you have a smaller board, or if you only need to verify a few records quickly. If you're dealing with larger boards, the board view method can be more effective. Start by going to your board's main table view. Click on a column header such as email or item name to sort it alphabetically. When sorted, duplicate entries will conveniently appear next to each other, making them significantly easier to identify. For instance, if two leads have the same email, they'll be listed side by side after sorting the email column. For a more targeted approach, use the filter option to narrow down your selections. If you suspect duplicates in certain scenarios, click the filter icon at the top right and set filters like status is new or email contains gmail.com. This method helps you focus on specific records before verifying duplicates manually, especially useful if duplicates are likely only in certain conditions. For handling large boards, your best bet is to use the Duplicate Finder app from Monday.com's app marketplace. Navigate to the app's icon on your board, search for Duplicate Finder, and install it on the board you wish to scan. Configure the app by selecting which columns you want to compare, like name, email, or product ID, and click Scan for duplicates. The app efficiently lists or highlights all duplicate entries for you, and some versions even allow you to merge or delete duplicates directly within the app. Finally, to prevent future duplicates, consider setting up automations such as notifications if a duplicate email is entered when a new item is created. Utilize form settings to block identical submissions or restrict data entry permissions to only authorized team members. By integrating these practices, you can maintain cleaner, more manageable boards in the future. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, this helps keep your workflow seamless on Monday.com.